right now we will show you guys how to do the calibration and the settings on the car. So the calibration mat has to be placed in front and the back of the car. The distance between the front of the vehicle has to be within 30 cm to 40 cm. So it has to be equal to the front and the back as well. Second step, right now, the A measurement will be the total length of the vehicle, inclusive the distance between two pieces of the calibration mat. B, you will need to measure the vehicle width. And then C, the distance from the front of the car to the calibration mat. And D, the distance from the rear of the car to the calibration mat. E, the distance from the side mirror to the front vehicle, both side mirror distance. F, the vehicle height. G will be the wheelbase, the distance for the front wheel to the rear wheel. H is the rear overhang, which is the rear wheel, rear bumper distance. I, the right camera height from the ground. J, the front camera height from the ground. K, left camera height from the ground. L, the rear camera height from the ground. The last measurement you will need to take is left front wheel to the right front wheel. So this will be the overall setting of the calibration mat. Okay, after the calibration mat and the measurement all have been set, so we will go into the calibration setting. So go into the setting and then go to parameter, and then you may scan this code for the full tutorial if you would like to refer back. So this going to the splice. So for the calibration mat, we are using this type. Okay, once you have go into this, here you can select the view, the front, left, right and back, and the fore view for the calibration purposes. Okay, for front, for checking, make sure it is the parallel, same as the rear, and then check the side, okay. So once it's okay, we will go into the measurement that we have measured. Okay, from here, confirm. Okay, so most importantly, you need to check your camera lens when you install, which is shown on the camera cable there. For ours, we are using the 6048 and 253 lens. So after this, click start to stitch. So from here, you can adjust number 1 to anchor to the black box. So if it's okay, this will be the front. Then for the rear, you can click the rear and check it's all the point on the corner of the black box. So once it's okay, press save and done. You're done. Okay, for the advanced fine-tuning, if you have encountered some of the calibration where the position is a bit off, you may go into this setting here to do some adjustment, such as the location from here to make sure that it's a straight line. This is the front center, rear center, left center, right center, and this will be the gap for the adjustment. Like let's say there is any overlapping, let's say the rear left gap. So you can see it adjusts to fill up. So right now you can have your TI's 360 version set up: front view, rear view, side view, left and right. This is the car width. Okay, from here you can, for user preference, you can select your car model, a sedan car, SUV or MPV. For this car we will select MPV. So the reversal track style, you can choose. There are plenty of options to choose from. So also include the vehicle colors, and then the display mode, left or right, and then to setting the loading vehicle on when your car is started. So for the angle setting, this will be a panoramic setting. So this is the front limit view for the vehicle, the width. So this is the 3D, you can set your preferred height viewing. So this is the front, if you prefer to look the original or the undistorted view. Here is the rear one, same as the front. So for the left signal, so you would like to see like this or this angle. So right will be like this, same as the left. So here are some of the features when you want to set for trigger when turning, or trigger a picture to show when your car speed is over 30 km/h, or trigger the 360 view by tapping the hazard light. And there's many more for you to choose from lah. You can enter a USB thumb drive for recording. You can set which USB that you will prefer for the 360 to record. Okay, this is the quality. Okay, that's about it. So here you go, TI's CC3 360 camera version. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next video.